Hey everyone, welcome to How to All channel. Now I'm going to show you how to install Facebook Lite app. It's super easy. First open your Play Store. Now click here and write Facebook Lite. Now click on Facebook Lite, which is appear in first. Okay, now click on Facebook Lite. Okay, now click on install, and it is installing now. Didn't I say it is super easy? Just wait a few minutes and you will see it will install. Okay, now open the app. Click on open. English, allow. Okay, now it is open. Now Facebook Lite is open. It is super easy. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.